Can you get 8 out of 8 correct? Bonus mission. Spot the glitches. AI videos are not perfect. Spot the historical inaccuracies. Write them in the comments. General Eisenhower called this vehicle one of the 3 tools that won the war. Identify it. Willie's Jeep. High energy, heat resistant, and barely edible. Identify this emergency chocolate ration. Field Ration D. Standard issue for U.S. forces. Known for the unique ping sound it makes when empty. Name the rifle. M1 Garand. This helmet's silhouette is unmistakable. It replaced the pickle hob. What is it called? Stahlhelm. Designed to stop tanks and landing craft on the beaches. What is this obstacle called? Check Hedgehog. British engineering. Famous for its elliptical wing design and defense of the UK. Identify the aircraft. Spitfire. A simple toy used by U.S. paratroopers to find friends in the dark on D-Day. What is this device? The Cricket. Final subject, Soviet design. Its sloped armor shocked the German army. Name the tank. T-30 for tank.